Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I'm going to show you how to mix animation from Miximo to Blender. How to mix animation in Blender. So how to combine animation in Blender. So first I'm going to import our animation, which is downloaded. So this is our animation. So this is our texture. This is our animation. Now the character is only walking. Go in pose mode, select this bone. See the character is this is only 30 frames animation, 35 frames animation. I want this animation to be continuous. So select this bone, press A and press Shift E. Uh, Drag your mouse here, press Shift E and mark cycle. Make cycle, sorry, make cycle. And now go to graph editor, click on any curve, go in modifier and after mode, repeat with offset. Click repeat with offset. Then click here, copy, and now drag your mouse here, press A, and here paste. So now if we play in our timeline, it will be continuous. See, it is continuous. So our first animation is done. So now go in dope sheet, click here, go in action editor, place here one. Here also one. I'm only naming the name this anything you like. I'm going to name it as one, and here also I'm going to press one, and then I'm going to click and drag this window here, and then I'm going to select non-linear animation, and then I'm going to click here, and here starting frame is one, and ending frame is I'm going to click 1000. So now our character is moving randomly forward. Our character is moving continuously forward. See, now import our second animation. Import FBX running animation. I'm going to import it, turn off this. See, the running animation is also animation is also of something 21 frames, 22 frames. So again we have to do it the same way. Select this bone, press A and press Shift E here and make cycle. So now select this icon, press graph editor, click on any curve, go in modifier and after mode repeat with offset. Copy this, click drag your mouse here, press A and wait, drag your mouse here, press A and paste. So see our running animation is also marked continuously. Now open dope sheet, name this as running animation, name this running, here also running. Okay, so now go to our first animation. First I'm going to import our third animation also. Import FBX file, jumping animation, import. Jumping animation is like this. Hello. So jumping animation is like this. So what we have to do is click on this middle bone, go in pose mode, click on this middle bone, press A, click on top seed, name this as jump. Here also name this as jump. Here also name this as jump. Okay. So now click on our first amateur one number and turn off all this. Click on this one number which we have named earlier. Click here add in non-linear animation. Click here add action and then running animation. Here also I'm going to do it 1000. So I'm going to split. I want my character to run from here. So right click here, split strips and then delete this part. And here also click on here, extrapolation, click on nothing. Click on nothing. So here we have like this. Now here, see, here is gap between this and this. See, here is plenty of gap. So what we have to do to fix this is drag your mouse here, mark this with pen, come here, press tab, press on running and press tab key and click on this middle bone and go to graph editor. Turn on all only, select Y location, press home key here and now press G and drag it little bit like this here. Now see, now it is running properly. First is crouching, then is running. I want him to run little bit further like this much and then I'm going to right click strip and then I'm going to delete this portion and then I'm going to add action, jump action. Here also jump, click on jump, extrapolation, click on nothing. I want my character to jump from here, jump from here. So click on this jump, press tab, click on this middle bone and then go in graph editor, jump, location G, press home key and press G and click all over here. Now go in timeline. Here press 158 and now just play our animation. I want to hide this. Now we have successfully combined three animation. First he is crouching, then he is running, and now he is jumping. Like this you can combine animation in Blender. This is very easy part to combine animation and very fun part to combine animation in Blender. First he is crouching, then he is running, and then he is jumping. First he is crouching, then he is running, and then he is jumping. So that's it, friend. This is a easy video on how to combine animation in Blender. This is a very fun part to animate anything in Blender. I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for uh, more 3D modeling videos, animation video, texturing video, rendering video, also rigging video, also some gameplay of some games which I have. So stay tuned to my channel and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.